Hello traders, in this video we are going to be discussing the ICT Time Based Liquidity. All right. Now, ICT Time Based Liquidity is a concept that focuses on how the market behaves at specific times of the day. Right? So instead of looking only at price levels, this idea emphasizes that liquidity often forms and gets taken at predictable times during the trading day. Okay, for example, many traders notice that price tends to create highs or lows during the Asian session, right? Let's just add a sessions indicator to the chart, okay, so that all right, so that we can understand what we're saying better, right? So like I said, um traders notice that price tends to create highs or lows during the Asian session. Remember that the Asian session is made up of the Sydney and the Tokyo, right? So during the Asian session, we most likely have highs and lows. All right. So these levels then get broken during the London session. Okay, for example, you can see that we actually had a low here, and during the London session, this low, okay, in this particular case, during the New York session, the low was broken, right? So now the concept suggests that certain time windows, especially the London Open and the New York Open, right, and the session overlaps, okay, they are where liquidity is most likely to be targeted. Traders use this knowledge to avoid entering too early and instead wait for the market to reach these time-based zones. Okay, so another key idea is that the market often creates a false move first, especially at the start of a major session. So this move may look convincing, right? But its purpose is often to trigger stop losses before the real direction becomes clear, right? Imagine someone expecting price to continue going up only for, the disappointment to set in. And then you can see that a break of structure happened. And of course, price reversed direction. Price consolidated a bit, in a triangular pattern, you can see, and then finally broke down during the New York session. This is just an example, right? So basically, the concept helps traders understand that timing matters just as much as price levels. So instead of trading randomly throughout the day, traders focus on specific periods when the market is most active. In simple terms, ICT time-based liquidity teaches traders to align their strategy with the market's natural timing instead of forcing trades. All right, so if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so that you don't miss out on more valuable trading content. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.